Welcome to 15-minute Vinyasa Yoga Flow. This sequence will bring your heart rate up and improve your strength and balance. The flow moves quite fast, so it's best suited for experienced beginners and intermediate level. We will finish in a child's pose, and if you would like to continue the practice with some cool-down stretches, I will leave links in the description box for you to check out. Let's get started! Stand at the top of your yoga mat with feet around hip distance apart. Rock back and forwards a couple of times to find the balance. Then ground down your feet. Lengthen through the crown of your head. Roll your shoulders up, back and down. Turn your palms to face forward. Close your eyes for a moment. And begin to deepen your breath. Deep breath in through the nose. Long breath out through the nose. If you are familiar with Ujjayi breath, you can start incorporating Ujjayi breath, contracting the back of your throat and creating a soft sound. Gently open your eyes, interlace your fingers so that the palms face away from you. Take a big inhale, reach your arms up, stretching through the sides of your body. Exhale, release your arms to the sides. With the next inhale, reach your arms up again. Grab your right wrist with the left hand. Exhale, bend to the left. Feel a nice stretch on the right side of the body. Inhale, come back to center, switch side, grab your left wrist and bend to the right. Stretching the other side. Breathe deeply in and out. Inhale back to center, release your arms. With your next inhale, reach your arms forward and up. Lean slightly back for a gentle back bend. Maybe cactus your arms. Take one more big inhale here. Exhale, bend forward, release your fingertips to the mat. Bend your knees if needed. Rock a little side to side, releasing the back. Let your head hang heavy. Release any tension in your neck and back. Inhale, come halfway up. Hands can stay on the shins or higher on the thighs. Long spine, shoulders away from the ears. One more big inhale here. Exhale, release hands down to the mat, step back into tabletop position. Hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. A few rounds of cat and cow here. With inhale, drop your belly, look up, bring your shoulder blades together for cow. Exhale, press the floor away, bring chin to chest, cat. Inhale into cow. Exhale, round your spine as much as you can. One more inhale. Exhale. And come back to neutral spine as you inhale. Tuck your toes, send your hips up for downward facing dog. Bend your legs one by one, stretching them out. Or do any other movement that feels good here. Maybe swaying your hips side to side, shaking your head. Now come to stillness in downward facing dog. Knees can stay bent if needed. With your next inhale, roll forward into plank. Pause here for a moment, press the floor away, strong plank pose. Inhale. With exhale, lower your knees, chest and chin down for Ashtanga Namaskar. Hips stay high. Inhale, shift forward, lift your chest for Cobra. Exhale, press down through your hands, tuck your toes, downward facing dog. 2 more like this. Inhale into plank. Exhale, knees, chest, chin down. Inhale, lift your chest, Cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Last round. Inhale, roll forward. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, Cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Bend your knees. Slowly step or walk forward to your hands. Inhale, halfway lift, long spine. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, roll up to standing, reach your arms up. Exhale, arms to the side. Inhale, circle your arms up to the sky. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, step back into plank and lower down on the same breath into Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. With inhale, reach your right leg up to the sky. Keep your hips closed, press down through your hands. Take one more big inhale here. Exhale, lean forward into plank, bring knee closer to your chest. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to chest. One more like this. Inhale, leg up. Exhale, knee to chest. Pause here for a second. And then step your foot closer to your right hand. Press down through your feet. Raise up to high lunge on inhale. Exhale, sink a little deeper into the hips, bend your front leg a little more. Inhale, reach up through the fingertips. Exhale, hands down to the mat, step into plank, move through Vinyasa, lowering down through Chaturanga or Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Cobra, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Press down through your hands, reaching your leg up as high as you can. Take breath in here. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, leg up. Exhale, plank. One more inhale. Exhale, knee to chest, pause here. And then step your foot forward. Inhale, raise into high lunge. Exhale here. One more deep inhale, reach through the fingertips. Exhale, hands down to the mat. On the same breath, Ashtanga Namaskar or Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Bend your knees, step, walk or jump forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale up to standing, reach up through your arms. Exhale, arms to the side. Inhale, reach your arms high. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, flat back, halfway lift. Exhale, lower down your way, halfway or all the way down. Inhale, cobra, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. We will add on to the flow. With inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, step it right forward. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, hands together in front of your chest. Start leaning your weight into the front foot. Bring your torso and leg parallel to the ground for warrior 3. Find your balance here. Try to keep your standing legs straight. One last breathe in here. Breathe out, step back into high lunge. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hands down to the mat, move through Vinyasa. Or come directly to downward facing dog, if you prefer to skip this time. We will meet in downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, step it forward. Inhale, high lunge, reach your arms up. Exhale, hands in front of the heart. Lean your weight into the left foot, warrior 3. Try to straighten the standing leg as much as you can. One last inhale. Exhale, back into high lunge. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, hands down to the mat, Vinyasa. Or skip Vinyasa. When you come to downward facing dog, bend your knees, step, jump or walk forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, come up to standing. Exhale, release your arms. Take a breath here. Get ready for the last round of the flow. We will go a little faster now. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, lower down your way, Chaturanga, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Cobra, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, step it forward. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, hands together in front of the chest. Inhale to lean forward into warrior 3. Just a breath here. Inhale. Exhale, step back. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hands down to the mat. Now place your left hand flat on the mat. With inhale, lift your right arm up, twist into the right. Breathe in, twist a little bit more. Exhale, hand down to the mat, step back, Vinyasa. Exhale, meet in downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, step forward. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, hands to the heart. Lean into the left foot, warrior 3. Inhale here. Exhale, step back. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hands down. Right hand flat on the mat. With inhale, reach your left arm up, twist to the left. Twist a little bit more as you inhale. Exhale, hand down to the mat. Step into plank. Lower down, halfway or all the way down. Inhale, cobra, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And now finally lower down your knees for child's pose. Any variation you like. Knees together or wider for wide knee child's pose. Listen to your heartbeat. Your heart rate is probably up by now. Calm down your breath. I will leave you here so you can rest as long as you like in child's pose, or turn and lay down on your back for Shavasana. See you in the next video.